Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the appearance of your armor sets in Destiny 2. Let's begin by opening View Journey and going to the Character section. Right now, go to the Appearance subscreen by pressing the S button or the corresponding button on your keyboard or controller. Then, under Appearance Customization, click Configure. Here, as you can see, you can, first of all, apply a certain shader or skin to all of your pieces of equipment. You can select those pieces of equipment and toggle the shader on each and every one of them. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.